Do you have a design concept that you need to touch, feel, and perhaps fit into an assembly, but don't want to waste time and money on a metal machining or metal casting? We can provide robust plastic parts, 3D printed or poured, that iterate part designs quickly and accelerate product development.
To give you some context here, 3D printing is just one part of a proven three-phase system that we developed to do one thing: deliver better than original short-run or legacy castings. Hi, I'm Marty Rank, General Manager of Odin Casting. We digitally engineer critical replacement parts for companies in oil and gas, mining, power generation, chemical, pulp and paper, and municipal markets. Have questions or a part we can evaluate for you? Click the button below this video to schedule a time to chat with me. If nothing else, you'll come away with a better understanding of the digital casting process and how it can benefit you in the long run. Thanks for watching. I look forward to talking to you.